Rover's passed out on the floor and we've lost the co-pilot. Navigator 2, we're in terrible trouble, over.
Elaine, if you just give me one more...
It's too late. When I get back to Chicago, I'm going to start my life all over again.
Elaine!
Ted!
This is Dr. Brody at the Mayo Clinic. There's a passenger on your Chicago flight 209er.
Do you feel all right, sir?
Oh, I haven't flown for a long time. He thinks he's a pilot, still fighting the war. We have people up here who will die.
We have a right to know the truth.
You can't fly this plane.
This is flight 209er. We're in trouble.
Don't you feel anything for me at all anymore?
I'm scared.
What the hell's going on up there?
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?